Hello dear friends, today I am going to introduce a unique artificial intelligence-based cryptocurrency platform. This platform has its own crypto coin and it will give opportunity to earn free crypto coin through its airdrop. So dear friends, let's discuss everything about our platform. The name of our business plan is X365 AI, $1 billion AI airdrop, and it gives to all the biggest giveaway in history. You can visit our official website www.x365.io and collect all information about this AI agent. Check our vision and abstract vision to establish X365 AI as the fastest, largest community-driven AI ecosystem, leveraging a proprietary layer to blockchain and cutting-edge AI technologies to revolutionize gaming, finance, and decentralized exchange. With the X365 coin as the world's first real-world assets, RWA coin empowering global communities. Abstract X365 AI emerged as a transformative force in the AI and blockchain convergence, aiming to redefine intelligent finance through unparalleled speed, scalability, and community ownership. Built on a bespoke layer to blockchain optimized for the gaming and casino industry, X365 AI integrates advanced AI-driven innovations to outpace existing technologies. The X365 coin, the first RWA coin, ties real-world revenue streams across multiple sectors to benefit all community members through revenue sharing, staking rewards, and coin value appreciation. With sub-projects like X365, X365A, Alpha IOTA Agents, FX365 Pro, and X365 enhanced by a revolutionary DEX scanner. X365 AI is poised to become a multi-billion-dollar ecosystem, driven by a global community spanning 130+ countries. Also, you can see in future projects AI agents overview. FX365 Pro as Forex trading platform, DEX365 decentralized exchange with DEX scanner. Also, you can see our key features and benefits. Now we discuss coin details and supply. Token name X365 coin, X365, total supply 475 billion tokens, blockchain layer 2, Ethereum compatible Solana and multi-chain, consensus mechanism optimized proof of stake, POS, utility multifunctional across the X365 ecosystem. Next in token distribution, public sale and fundraise, 65%, exchange listings, 10%, PR and marketing, 10%, airdrop and community rewards, 10%, team and development, 5%. Friends, if you join today our platform, then you find total 3 types of earning opportunity where you can earn reward across 10 levels, massive referral incentive, and instant Sigma bonus. Fast we talk about airdrop distribution. You can see total airdrop distribution for 100 million community members, direct sign up bonus 500 token, from direct referrals. Level 1 get 700 tokens, get 650 tokens from level 2, get 600 tokens from level 3, get 550 tokens from level 4, get 450 tokens from level 5, 350 tokens from level 6, get 300 tokens from level 7, get 250 tokens from level 8, get 200 tokens from level 9, and get 150 tokens from level 10. Total 4,750 tokens. Distribution in 10 level. Next you can see pre-sale and fundraising chart on screen where you find total 5 round. On each round to next round token price will be double, where first round token allocation 70 billion and price will be 0.00045 to dollar, but next round price will be 0.000904 dollar. So you can see the chart on screen. Starting trade price will be 0.045 to $00. Next in affiliate revenue sharing, you can see where you get 10% from level 1, 5% from level 2, 3% from level 3, 2% from level 4 to 5, and get 1% from level 6 to 10. This income will be received when your team members purchase token, and to receive total 10 level income you need to do some direct condition. You can see on table chart. Let's talk about our exclusive reward. When complete $2,000 business, then achieve Hermes the Messenger level and get $100 as reward. Next in Ask the Warrior. Level required $5,000 business and get reward of $250. Next you can see chart on screen where you earn $1,000 reward from Apollo, $3,500 reward from Poseidon, $15,000 reward from Athena, $60,000 reward from Hades, $1,80,000 reward from Zeus, $1 million reward from Kronos. After OpenAI, DeepSeek AI, X365 aims to raise $750 million, a significant capital injection that underscores its potential to emerge as a formidable competitor in the AI sector. Here you can see how people got billionaire with invest in Apple, Amazon, Tesla and Google in their starting days. So if you want to be earning million, then join today our community and purchase our coin. Maximum to hold and earn maximum profit from it. So friends, this is the complete information about X365 AI where people can join free and earn airdrop. If you need more information about it, please check video description. Thanks for watching.